So in this part of the course, what we're going to talk about is wireframing. So wireframing needs two things. It needs some pens and some paper. Now optional things include hipster coffee, hipster cactus, hipster thing, whatever that is, I don't know. But what we need to kind of do is actually sketch out what we think the website should look like. Now why the website and why not the logo, for instance? Well, for this, what we want to do is sketch out the most complex part of the site, which is the website itself. Now the logo will be a tiny component of this website, so we just want to focus on the general thing that we're actually trying to create for ARIA. So how do we do a wireframe? Now we're going to keep this very, very simple. We don't need to use all of these colors. I'm just going to use mainly black, and the black is for kind of sketching out the general layout. I'm just going to use red for general notation. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually sketch out the homepage. What should this actually look like? Well, what I'm going to do is just quickly draw a page. Now a page in a wireframe, unsurprisingly, just looks like a big box. So I'm just going to quickly draw a big box. Now we can do this in a different kind of design program, for instance. Now I like to keep this as sketches. It's quicker and it doesn't look as well, it kind of doesn't look as professional. So what we kind of want to show ARIA is like the simplicity of this. Like this isn't a final design. It's just getting out what is in our head to show her. So here what we want to do is kind of show what's going to be on the header of the page. What is going to be on the header of each page? Well, we need a logo and maybe some links. Now, what should the layout look like? Should it be logo here, links up here, logo here, links underneath? Well, for now, what we're going to say is the logo is going to be up here in this corner and the navigation links are going to be over here. Now, what does a logo look like? We don't know yet. So what we're going to do is replace it with a kind of box. Now the box in wireframe terminology looks something like this. We're going to draw a quick box that looks like that, and we're just going to kind of cross it out. Now the reason for that is we want to show that this is an image, and this is going to be replaced later on with what the actual image is going to be. At the moment, we don't care. Now, similarly, we want to kind of show the navigation, and we know roughly what is going to be in the navigation, something like work, about, and contact. So instead of writing work, about, contact, we don't know the order of these just yet. And we don't want to make it too confusing with feedback. We want to keep it nice and simple. So for now, I'm just going to add in 3 lines up here. 1, 2, 3. That's basically going to be the navigation. Now, one thing that we want to kind of put on this page is some kind of tagline, because we know from the folder that we were given, there is a tagline. Now, this is going to be quite a big title on this page. So I'm going to keep this quite big. Now, generally with text, I'm just going to either do it as kind of like written words like that. So assume there's going to be maybe around 3 lines of text that looks like this. So this is our general tagline. Now people do this in different ways. Some people like to do it as a kind of box, so maybe kind of like a sketched out box which kind of shows copy. It's kind of up to you, as long as you kind of let them know roughly what you're kind of thinking. Now here, of course, what I've done is kind of centralize this, and this might be a bit of a design decision later on. It might not work. We might think it works for now, but we might not work later on. So for now, we're just going to keep it centered. We could align it to the left. We could change it later on. For now, let's keep it as it is. Now the main thing on this homepage, and just again, I want to kind of label this as the homepage by just literally writing it in red. So maybe I just want to write home in this corner, and maybe give us some kind of little signifiers about what this stuff is. Navigation is up here. This is going to be the tagline, for instance. So for now, we're just going to keep it like that. Now, in the kind of main section of the site, we want to show the work. So here, what we might want to say is, well, how do we want to lay this out? We don't know at the moment. We kind of want to see roughly what ARIA thinks. So for now, what I'm going to do is have my image over here and maybe some description next to it. I could maybe do it as a grid later on. We'll see what she thinks. Maybe you just don't know for now, so we'll keep it as generic as possible. So for now, I'm just going to say maybe there's going to be one of her images here, which is pretty big. And because it's an image, we want to kind of cross it out. We don't know which image it's going to be for now, so I'm just going to cross it out with some kind of description and maybe some kind of more description. So this is kind of like the image title with some information about the image. Now again, I might run out of space here, so I might just want to kind of keep going down the page. Might want to go on the second part. But what's this next section going to look like? Now I could have the image here with the text here as well, but I might want to swap this over and say, well, this one and this one are kind of the other way around here. So maybe I want to do that next. So maybe if I run out of space, I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to cross this off. So it's not quite off the page, kind of getting the idea that this is going further and further down the page. But I kind of want to use the same concept here. Does I want it to be right aligned or left aligned? Well, maybe for now we'll just say left aligned. There's a title and some kind of description underneath. And just like before, I'm just going to annotate these. So this is going to be some kind of artwork with a title and description. And again, this is the title, artwork, and description. So this is a very basic way to do a wireframe. Like, we don't need to put too much time into this. And I can do this for pretty much every single page. Now, because this is going off the page, I might want to say like home to or home footer, for instance. So I'm just going to quickly add another page in here. There we go. And we're going to do the same thing again. So again, I'm going to do the second half of this. And don't worry if we kind of make a real mess of this. It doesn't really matter too much. So what do I want to do here? I have my image going. Which way did I have my image going? Let's just double check. I have my image going off the page there. So I want to kind of get it off the edge of the page here. Some number 2, for instance. And again, there's definitely more artwork on here. I want to do the same thing again. And some title. Now, the reason I'm doing more of this is because I kind of want to show the layout. So it's not just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for instance, like a featured one. It is this kind of alternating one that goes down the page. So maybe there's 4 on this page, and here's the title, and so on. Now, at the bottom, one thing that she asked for is something to do with her email and Instagram. So maybe at the bottom of the page here is like 2 extra links. So here's the footer. So here, I'm just going to write the words footer. I'm not going to say which one is Instagram and which one is an email address just yet. And the reason for that is it doesn't really matter too much. So here what we have is something very, very basic for the homepage. What I'm going to quickly do is do the other 2 pages, which are about and contact. So I'm going to use the same kind of idea. So same kind of concept here. I'm going to go on this next page and draw the about page. Just going to have a big old page that looks like this. Now, obviously what I want to do is make the footer and header the same. So the footer is going to stay the same and the header is going to stay the same. Just going to have 1, 2, 3. Same layout here. Now, what does this about section look like? Well, let's just make sure she knows it's the about page. There we go. There might be something like her image, her headshot that she sent to us, and then something about her, that bio that she sent us before. There we go. Something very, very basic for the about page. And again, for the contact page, kind of happy with that. Let's add in one extra thing, which is, unsurprisingly, contact. So what is on the contact page? Now, this could be a few things. It could be a map, for instance, of where her art gallery is or where her studio is. It could be just a big email address. It could be a few things. Maybe it's a contact form, so maybe it's a kind of like a title up here with some kind of form. So maybe we'll kind of have like an email address. I'm just going to do these as boxes. So maybe a few fields, and then maybe a big field like a message with some kind of box. And I'm going to just make that obvious. It's something to click. And again, just need the footer in here as well. And I just need to signify it is a certain page. So this one is the contact. So now that we've done this, what we can actually do is take a picture of these pages and actually send it over to Aria. So I'm just going to quickly grab my phone, and what we can do is just take a quick picture of these like that. There we go, perfect. And what we can do is just attach these to an email and just say, hey, we want to kind of make sure that these are okay. What do these look like? Are you happy with them? Does it make sense? And hopefully, if she approves this was quite a quick task to do. And hopefully, if she approves, we can actually start making the website.